Welcome to my video series, Keras Tips, Tricks and Techniques. This is a video series on how to accelerate your Keras learning and get the most out of Keras. A little about myself. I have a background in big data, advanced analytics and artificial intelligence. I've been working with customers helping them solve complex problems in this space. I've also had many years of software engineering background working on large-scale distributed systems across many industries. Currently, I am working as a Customer Success Director at Microsoft, leading a team of cloud solution architects, helping customers understand the power of the cloud. So what is this course all about? Let's take a look. This course is broken into 7 sections. In the first section, I'm going to give you a whirlwind tour of how to create your first AI app with Keras. This will go end to end from training a model through to creating an actual application to use it. It'll be a bit of a whirlwind, but showcase the power of the platform. Section 2 we'll do a deeper dive into how to use Keras for deep learning, not only with images, but also with video. How to train a model to understand what's in the image or video, and then how to classify elements within it. In Section 3, we'll deep dive into the Keras functional API and showcase how to use that effectively. In Section 4, I will spend time showing you how to use Keras to generate text. This will allow you to build a model that learns how to communicate and generate text based on inputs. In Section 5, we'll explore some tips and some built-in features within Keras that you may not have originally been aware of. In Section 6, I will cover some of the most recent advancements in Keras that are worth highlighting, including the fact that Keras is now being bundled as part of TensorFlow versus a standalone, and is supporting the TensorFlow backend going forward and not supporting the other backends. And finally, Section 7, I will go deep into how to take your Keras model and deploy it into a production application. In terms of prerequisites for this course, it is expected you have some familiarity with Python and with Keras, that you have a machine learning background, and a desire to get hands-on and learn. In terms of goals for this course, you'll get an understanding of how to run deep learning models with Keras and a TensorFlow backend. You'll understand how to use techniques like image augmentation to improve training accuracy of your Keras models against images and videos. You'll learn how to generate articles with recurrent neural networks in Keras. We'll explore how to use the Keras tuner to fine-tune your hyperparameters for your models. We'll explore how to take your Keras models into a production application, and we'll deep dive into how to use the Keras functional API. So let's get started.